What's your name? What's your name, my love? My love, hi. You want to go with me? My goodness. Hi, baby. Oh, she's a girl. Okay, bye, baby. Bye. Okay. So let me eat, guys. Hi lovelies, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Violet. Thank you so much for stopping by. Guys, don't mind about my voice. I got rained on the other day. That's on Saturday, by the way. So I'm coming down the flu. On Saturday, you guys, like from my previous upload, I told you guys it was on Friday when I told you guys I don't want to drink because I want to have a sober mind, so that I edit that video and upload it the next day, which was on Saturday. And I am a November baby born on November 16th. Okay, so that Friday night, Kenyapa decided, what? Kenyapa, you're messing with me. Even on my special day, you decided to mess with me. Like, seriously. So, power ilipotea around 7 p.m. that night. I managed to edit the video at night because I had charged my phone. So, I went to bed without power, and I thought when I wake up, power will be back. I woke up, no power, and my phone was at 20%, and I had a lot planned for the day, you guys. It's my day. I was born on that day, so I was so excited. I'm always excited around that time, yeah. So I woke up, no power. My phone it's at 20%. Okay, when I woke up, like I thought, what about the food in the fridge? It's going to spoil. So I was worried about the food in the fridge. So I decided, let me go to my mom's place, take all that food to my mom's place, and then when power comes back, I'll go and carry it back, because hukwana any dalili like power was coming that day. And I was right. Power didn't come. So when at my mom's place, I managed to charge my phone and I uploaded that video on that Saturday. You guys, everything that I had planned for the day, I decided I'll not do, because I wanted it in my memories. Like I wanted to remember November 16th, 2024, you know, like I wanted to remember it. So I was like, no, I'm not going to do anything on that day. What I did is that I ordered a cake from Java, and then I ate, and then I was like, I'm going to take myself out some other time, some other day. I mean, as long as it still is November, no problem. You know, like I want those memories. I managed to record a clip of that cake. I'll show you guys. For me, I am not a party girl. Like I don't throw parties. What I do is that I go out, I eat lunch or dinner. I order cake from Java, I ate, and then that's it. I call it a day, you know. So my sister was like, she was born 2001st January. So she was like, let's do it together. Let's celebrate our birthdays together. We can do it after 25th of December. And then I was like, okay, no, she's still young. She loves parties. Why not? So I was like, okay, we're going to celebrate my birthday with her. We were thinking we throw a party, you know, she invited. So guys, so my mic imeisha moto, so I was talking to myself all this time. So I don't know where I was, but I was where we were thinking we throw a party. She invites her friends and then family members. For me, I will just celebrate with families, because me, by the way, I'm not a party person. She's excited because she's still young. Me nimezeka bana jameni. So I'm not excited about things like parties, but yeah, but still me, I'm going to do what I normally do, like take myself out, eat a cake, and then I am done. I was so sad because I was in the dark that day because of Kenya Power. Kenya Power, God is watching you. So I am ready. I'm about to head out. I want to go and take these wigs. I want to have them washed. Nazitengenezwe vizuri. So we have this one and then we have this one. I want to go have them zitengenezwe. I have lines, you guys. So I want to wear wigs for all of this festive season. I don't want to braid my hair, guys. Let it just breathe. I'm trying to grow my hairline, and so I have lines on. I want to like head out. I want to go do pedicure, manicure, like, you know, I want to prepare for I must go out. I must go out. I must take myself out. It's a tradition, yeah. It's a traditional of mine, so I have to do it. I've just done my makeup and I'm trying to wipe off. Kumbe si chafu. So let's head out and go. So I'm going to apply this. This smells so nice. It's guy. This smells so nice. And then I'm going to also use this Dove for Men. I love it because it smells so nice. This I will not put directly to my skin because I always like feel itchy. And then we're going to use body splash. I think that's it. And then I'm going to moisturize my hands. What? So we're going to head out and go take these wigs, and then yeah, we put them here. Oh, okay, see you guys. So guys, I am almost done. I am hungry and tired. I just want to go home. But yeah, my sister just called me and asked me to pass by her place. There's something she wants to give me from her and from my other siblings. It's a birthday gift. So I'm so happy, and I was so emotionally, guys, because it's the first time they're getting me a gift for my birthday. And if they can actually afford to buy me a gift for my birthday, God is good, you guys. Like, God is good. Tumetoka mbali, and I am so happy for them. And may God continue blessing them for me. I'm going to show you what they bought for me in this video, you guys. Watch it. I was so emotional. So guys, after coming back from making my nails, there's no power is gone, so I cooked in the dark. I'm using candles, as you can see. So this is vegetables, meat, and garlic. I mixed everything together, and yeah, I'm going to have with some mala, natural mala. That's enough. Okay, this steamer, I don't know what's wrong with Kenya Power. Surely, like, I don't know. Anyway, let me just eat and go and sleep. I'm in the dark. I hope you guys can see that vizuri or like from making my pretty nails. Nimekuja nikule kwa giza. Like, okay, no problem. So let me eat, guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning, okay? you guys doing? So I'm ready, I've showered, I've done my makeup. What do you guys think about my makeup up close? So I know this wig is not wigging. I told you I took them to have them washed, but when I got there, the guy who washes my wigs was not around. I was told he traveled, so I don't trust anyone else kumacha wigs zangu, so I just came back with them. I did something about them. I know it's not perfect, but there's nothing I can do. I have lights on and I need to cover them up, so we're going to head out and go. I don't know if I should show you what my siblings got me for my birthday before I leave the house, before I even request for an Uber. So this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing this jumpsuit, and okay, you can, I don't think you can see everything's on, so I'm going to head out and go. Let me see if I can show you what my siblings got me for my birthday, and then out we go. So today I'm spending the day with you guys. Let's go eat this lunch, okay? Guys, I've decided to show you before I leave because it's raining and I don't know what time I'll be back, maybe at night, so might as well finish. That fly, there's a fly. So guys, woo. So this is what my siblings decided to get me for my birthday. It's in here. So let's start with this. My goodness, look at this, you guys. This is from my sister, the one I told you we are supposed to celebrate our birthday together. She was born on January 1st. So she got me these. These are very expensive, you guys. This thing is like 4,000, right? When you wanna do this thing is 4,000. Yo, thank you so much, my sister. And then she got me white, this is white wine. Then there's a card. Well, thank you, sis. Thank you so much for this. This is really nice, you guys. This is really nice. And then we have this. And then we have this from my brother. One of my brothers. I have two brothers. And then there is also this from this is dry red from my other brother. So this was here, you guys. But this is the one we got here with dinner the other day. So what like I've been taking medicine for the whole year, so they were like, this festive season, hey, ni kunywe kabisa, ni kunywe, nilewe. So thank you so much, my lovely siblings. I love you. It's time for me to request for an Uber and head out. You guys will see you out there, okay? So I just wanted to show you before I leave the house. Now let me return everything. What's your name? What's your name, my love? My love, hi. You want to go with me? My goodness. Hi, baby. Oh, she's a girl. Okay, bye, baby. Bye. Okay, Claudia, bye. Bye. Thank you. Guys, we're going to have this. I think it's appetizing. These are I'm staying away from alcohol for now, so that's why I've ordered in a glass, because a bottle I will not finish. Wow.
Yes, Louisiana, so some chefs.
Yeah, thank you so much. So guys, look at my food. Looks so delicious. Yes, I want to try.
So guys, I'm so done. I can't finish all of this. I have to do a voiceover because of copyright, but I've really tried. I finished my wine. I've really enjoyed. Like, the food was delicious, the service was amazing, the staffs are amazing, they keep checking on you. Like, I've really enjoyed. The experience is top notch. Okay, so and I think my stomach agrees. Like, you know me, I'm the kind of a person who doesn't like eat outside, so
It's okay, it's time to hair out.